What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa, and let me ask you this, right? Let's say you go on a date or you go to meet someone and you have a big old zit right here in the middle of your forehead and you're talking to someone. You know for a fact that you're gonna be thinking that this person is looking at your zit, right? You're gonna be sitting there talking to them. Are they looking at my pimple? They're probably looking at my pimple. I know you're looking at my zit. It's so annoying. I just saw it. They looked. I knew it. I knew it. How frustrating is that, right? Having a pimple in the middle of your forehead, you know people are gonna be looking at it. It is so annoying. That is one of the reasons why skincare is so important. And we know that women have been doing this for years. They know exactly what to do. But us guys, we still need a little bit of help. And that is what today's video is all about. I wanna make sure that you guys have the best skin possible. So today's list is all about the things that you should not do, okay? Because most men do these things, but I'm telling you, they're not good. Like for example, number one is popping a zit right away when it's not ready. Like you see it, you're like, I got a zit, I'm gonna pop it, right? And then you're sitting there for 7 minutes, right? You're just like trying to get it, and it's like there's stuff coming out, your hands are dirty, then it looks really big, it gets even bigger, and then you can really see it from far away. That's a no-go zone. That is not good. Look, the thing is, no one likes having pimples on their face, right? I get pimples sometimes, it's extremely annoying, but there's not much you can do. It's going to happen once in a while. So what I recommend is do not pop it right away. Make sure that you wait a little bit until it's ready, and then make sure that you are doing it properly. What does that mean? Wash your hands with soap, antibacterial soap. Make sure your hands are very, very clean. You can also just use a napkin to not actually touch your skin while you're doing it. That's so much better. You can also ice it, right? Because that's going to bring it down. It's not gonna be as aggressive looking or as red as before. So ice it, but pop it when it's ready. Do not put your dirty hands on that zit and pop it. It's not good. It's annoying though, isn't it? You just want to get it out of there, but once you pop it, it becomes like a wound on your face, right? You're like cutting it open and then there's like this gash on your face, and it's like, that is really obvious. So do not pop your pimples unless they are absolutely ready, and make sure that your hands are clean. Number two, the next thing that guys do not do, and they definitely have to start doing this. I'm telling you, this is something that I didn't do for the longest time, and I suffered because of it. I do have some sun damage on my face because I did not wear sunscreen every day. Guys, I'm telling you, it's probably the number one thing on anyone's skincare routine. Wear sunscreen, especially if you're going outdoors and staying outdoors for a long time. If you're gonna be under the sun and you're not wearing sunscreen, I'm telling you, your skin is going to suffer. This is going to damage your skin, and it's not gonna just damage it a little bit, it's gonna damage it permanently. Any little dot on your face, right? These little brown, darker dots on your face, that is sun damage. That is happening as you walk outside. And all you have to do to protect yourself from that is applying sunscreen every day. It's as simple as that. It's very, very easy. So this is one of those things that I wish somebody told me when I was younger. I wish somebody told me, hey, you should probably wear sunscreen every day. It's not like when you go to the beach, it's every day when you're outside, right? Because I would go to the beach and I'd bring a sunscreen lotion thing and I'd be like, all right, this is it, I'm good, my shoulders, I don't want to burn. That's not good enough. Make sure that you're protecting your skin, because it can even eventually lead to skincare cancer, and that is not good. You don't want that. The third rule is a little bit tougher, but I completely get it, and that is staying consistent with your skincare routine, right? A lot of guys think that they can just buy some type of face wash or moisturizer, use it once a week, twice a week, and that is good enough. That's not true, right? You have to make sure that you're doing it all the time. You have to make sure that you have a skincare routine that you're doing consistent. And to help you stay consistent, today's video sponsor, Tiege Hanley, has literally everything you need so that you don't have to be thinking about it. You just get it delivered to your doorstep, and then you just use it on your face, and that's it. It's very, very easy. They literally base their whole system around being uncomplicated, because man, I mean, we don't like anything that's complicated. We don't want anything that's gonna take a lot of time, that's gonna take a lot of research. Like, this is easy. Here are the products that you need, just use them. That is what Tiege does, and they have incredible products. And how does it all work? Well, it's very simple. They have different levels on their website. So level 1, for example, offers you the 4 basic products: face wash, the scrub, the morning moisturizer, and the PM moisturizer. And then level 2 is a step higher. So it offers you all of those basic products, plus the eye cream to make sure that you're getting those wrinkles taken care of, to make sure that your dark circles are gone. So it is solving that problem. Now, level 3, of course, is doing all of that with the eye cream, plus it also offers you a serum to reduce fine lines and achieve max handsomeness, all right, which is what we want. Now here's the thing, guys. I love Tish Hanley. I think they do an amazing job. They really do. Their products are great, and it's very easy to use. Everything comes nicely packaged, so you see exactly how much product you need every single day. It's amazing. But they can't do the work for you. You have to apply those products. You have to stay consistent, and it will work, right? Then they can give you all of the tools, and they will literally deliver it to your doorstep. But you have to use those products. So make sure that you're staying consistent. And I don't mean consistent for a week or two. I mean consistent for weeks, for months. Just stay consistent and your skin will thank you. It's going to look great. It's going to be hydrated, moisturized. The sunscreen will help you. So make sure that you are staying consistent and doing this as much as possible. And guys, they have a special deal happening right now. So it's the first link in the description below. Go check them out and start your skincare routine. Be consistent and trust me, your skin will thank you. This next one is extremely important and most guys have no idea. What is your skin type? Do you know? Because you definitely should. Is it oily? Is it dry? Is it a combination? Right? For example, I have a combination. It is pretty oily in the forehead and oily here around the nose, but the rest is pretty dry. Like my beard is actually pretty dry, so I have to really moisturize my skin. I have to apply more moisturizer on my beard than on my forehead. On my forehead, I literally apply very, very little moisturizer because I know that it's already pretty oily. So if I apply a lot of oils and products to my forehead, I break out. Same for my nose. But over here, on my cheeks and especially my neck, my chin, I have to moisturize it a lot. So I apply a ton there. What type of skin do you have? That's going to completely change how you approach your skincare routine. If you have really oily skin, you might want to exfoliate a little bit more often to get rid of that, right? If you have really dry skin, maybe apply a little bit more moisturizer, AM and PM, to make sure that you're hydrating that dry skin, to make sure that you don't have any dry skin, flaky skin or any of that. And of course, a huge solution for dry skin is making sure that you are hydrated and drinking tons of water. So make sure that you're doing that as well. This next one is a huge mistake that most guys do. And I think a lot of you guys are gonna do this as well. Let me know in the comment section down below, how often do you wash your pillowcase? Let's be honest here. This is a safe space. I know for a fact most guys do not wash their pillowcase very much, unless either their partner or mom or whoever goes in there and is like, all right, time to wash these dirty, disgusting pillowcases, right? That's what happens. But you should be doing that. Make sure that you are changing that pillowcase, washing it often, and pro tip here that I've given you guys a lot of times, so if you're still sleeping on a cotton pillowcase, you should definitely change. Get a silk pillowcase for many reasons. It's a lot softer, first of all, so way more comfortable, but it's also really smooth, and that is nicer on your skin, right? It's not as harsh. It's also better for your hair. Because it's so smooth, it doesn't break your hair as you're moving around at night. So silk pillowcase is super cheap, you can find it anywhere, and it's actually very, very beneficial for your skin and for your hair. The silk pillowcase isn't gonna wash itself. All right, guys, so make sure that you're washing it because you have all of that dirt building up on that pillow. You have oils, you have sweat, you have drool, you have, I don't know, boogers. You have some weird stuff on that pillowcase if you think about it, because you're putting your face on that thing and rubbing it there for 8 hours minimum every night, every day. It's just not good. Make sure that you're cleaning it, make sure that you're changing. All right, this next one I'm telling you is going to change your perception of skincare, and that is doing face masks. Now, I know this is a thing that guys are like, face mask? Bruh, what? I'm not doing that. That's not for men, but that's not true, right? Men have skin too, so why not, right? Why wouldn't you take care of your skin? And face masks are a great way to kind of like supercharge your skin. For example, we talked about having dry skin, right? And that's really bad if you live in a dry area, like in Los Angeles, for example, where I usually live. Now I'm in New York City for the next couple months. It's very dry, so my skin tends to get even drier. What I would recommend is apply the face mask once a week, something that is hydrating, something that is really full of moisture, packed with moisture and oils, and put it onto your face and leave it there for 20 to 30 minutes. And your skin is going to just soak it all up, right? You are supercharging. It's like, yes, the moisturizers are great, but when you put that face mask on, when you really need it, it's going to really help you out within those 20 to 30 minutes, and that is incredible. And you can do that with a face mask. Not only that, but it's also like a spa. Like you can actually have fun doing it, watch a movie, play some video games, get some work done, do it with your girlfriend or whatever. Honestly, it's actually pretty nice and it feels really nice. But just because you do a face mask does not mean that you should not be doing your skincare routine. As a matter of fact, you need to make sure that you're doing it consistently. So wash your face, moisturize it, apply sunscreen, and make sure that you are consistent with that skincare routine to have the best results possible. And get Tish Hanley, it's the first link in the description below, because they will have everything that you need to make sure that your skin looks its absolute best. You can follow me on TikTok and Instagram, it's at Alex Costa. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.